Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are discuss about the practicals from pharmaceutics 2. So in previous sessions we discussed about the incompatibility. There are total 3 types of incompatibility: physical, chemical and therapeutic. So now let's discuss about the chemical incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility may be a result of chemical interactions between the ingredients and a toxic or inactive product. It may be formed. The chemical incompatibility is of 2 types, that is, first one, tolerated and adjusted. In tolerated, in this the chemical interaction can be minimized by changing the order of mixing or mixing the solutions in the dilute forms, but no alteration is made in the formulation. And second, that is adjusted. In this chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the reacting ingredients with the another of equal therapeutic value. Then precipitate yielding interactions. The precipitate formed due to the reaction between strong solutions may be diffusible or indiffusible. The method A and B is followed. So let's discuss in detail about method A and method B. Method A, which is for the diffusible precipitate, divide the vehicle into the 2 equal portions, dissolve one of the reacting substance in one of the portion and the other in the other portion. Mix the 2 portions by slowly adding one to the other. Method B, in this case, which is for indiffusible precipitate, dissolve the vehicle into the 2 equal portions, dissolve one of the reacting substance in one portion, weigh a suitable quantity of compound tragacanth powder, that is 2 grams per 100 ml, and transfer in a mortar and use the part of second portion of the vehicle to produce the smooth mucilage. Then add the other reacting substances, mix the 2 portions by slowly adding one portion to the other. So now let's move towards actual experiment. Experiment number 95. Title of this experiment is to identify the type of incompatibility and perform accordingly. Proposition 1. In presence of glycerin, borax decomposes to form sodium metaborate and boric acid. Boric acid reacts with glycerin to form monobasic glyceryl boric acid, which then reacts with bicarbonates, liberating carbon dioxide. Learning objectives are to understand the incompatibility causing evolution of carbon dioxide and ability to prepare and label the formulation correctly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, measuring cylinder, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 100, that is equal to 0.1. So we have the prescription, which is denoted by the symbol Rx. This is the prescription given over here. Let's discuss in detail about the formulation table. Type, that is category, use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. We don't have the quantity given in imperial system, as there is a formula is not given in the Latin terminology. We have the directly quantity given in metric system for preparing 100 ml. Quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. Sodium bicarbonate, it is used to release the carbon dioxide, that is CO2 gas. Quantity given in metric system for preparing 100 ml is 1.5 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.15 gram. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor, borax, used as a cleaner and detergent. Quantity given is 1.5 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.15 gram. Phenol, used as a disinfectant and antiseptic. Quantity given is 0.75 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.075 gram. Glycerin, used as a viscosity enhancer. Quantity given 25 gram. Taken quantity should be 2.5 gram. Water, used as a vehicle. Quantity given is quantity sufficient to prepare up to 100 ml. Taken quantity should be quantity sufficient to prepare up to 10 ml. Direction, to be used as directed by physician. Stepwise procedure: weigh the sodium bicarbonate and borax accurately. Mix them with the glycerin and half the quantity of water in a big beaker. After the effervescence ceases, make up the volume with the water, transfer to a bottle, cork it, attach the prepared label and submit it. Use of preparation antiseptic. Result: 10 ml of the mixture is submitted in plain glass bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as store in a cool and dark place. In this particular type of mixture, the chemical incompatibility is seen, and to overcome this, the method A is used by dividing the solvent into 2 parts and dissolving that particular another solute into it,
and then we will achieve the formation of proper mixture. Thank you.